Sometimes you want to capture an image off of the screen, and I'm going to show you the absolute fastest, easiest way to do that in Windows. So we're lucky that Microsoft Windows comes with a built-in tool called the snipping tool. And the snipping tool has a few features. If you want to go ahead and search for snipping tool, you can find it, and it will bring up a window on your screen that you can make some choices from. But that's not the fastest way. The absolute fastest way to capture an image from your screen is to use the keyboard shortcut for the snipping tool. So the keyboard shortcut for the snipping tool is the Windows key, the Shift key, and the letter S for snip. So you hold down the Windows key, hold down the Shift key, and press S. Once you press S, you'll see the whole screen goes dark and your cursor changes into this plus sign. That plus sign is what you're going to use to select the area that you want to capture. So let's say, for example, I'm making a handout on how to use our Moodle page, and I want to capture this part right here on syllabus and assignments. So I just click and hold down my mouse and drag and highlight however much I want, right? I can make this as big or as small of a rectangle as I want. So I'm going to make it this big. As soon as I let go of the mouse button, a picture has been taken of that area that I highlighted with the rectangle, and it's been copied to the clipboard. So now I'm going to open up Microsoft Word. Here's a handout that I've started, how to use our class Moodle page. In the middle of the Moodle page, you'll see a section that includes the syllabus and the assignments for this semester, and right here is where I want to put that picture. Now that picture's on the clipboard, so I can just go ahead and paste it, and it shows up here. And if I click on it, you can see I get the handles that you get with any image, and I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger, however I want to have it for my handout. So it's just that easy. Anything that's on the screen will get captured. So let's say, for example, I'm making a handout on how to use Microsoft Word, and I want to get this menu right here captured. I hold down the Windows, Shift, and press S. The screen goes dark. I click and drag. I'll just get this much of the menu. I click and drag this much of the menu. As soon as I let go of my mouse, it gets captured to the keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and paste it right here, and there's that menu. And again, if I click on it, I get the resize buttons so I can do whatever I want with the image. It's just that easy. Anything that's on the screen will get copied inside that rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and close all of this, and you'll see here, this is my screen background. If I do Windows Shift S, the screen goes dark, I get my plus sign. Anything inside the rectangle is going to be captured as soon as I let go of my mouse button. Now if I open Word again and I paste it, now you see you get my screen background. So anything that's on the screen, you can put this rectangle around it, capture it, it goes to your clipboard, and then you can paste it anywhere you want. Now I pasted in Microsoft Word. You could also paste, of course, in PowerPoint or any other program. You could do it in Google Docs. It's just that easy to capture an image off your screen using the Windows Shift S key.